Are you a NEET aspirant and you have a common query that whether we should go for a new NCERT or prefer old NCERT for your NEET 2025 preparation? So in this video, we'll try to answer this question. Hello all, my name is Mahima. Now let us see on what basis we are analyzing it. Now, as we all know that here you can see the old NCERT and the new NCERT. Now, let us first try to compare the chapters, the unit wise. So, here you can see this is the first year, the grade 11. Now, what all chapters we have? We have the first unit which is having the 4 chapters. So, here we have the 4 chapters. So, next in the second unit, we have the 3 more, that is morphology, anatomy and structural organization. The same chapters we have it here as well. Now basically in the third unit, we have the cell, the unit of life, biomolecules and the cell cycle and cell division. The same is even there in the new and updated NCERT. But what about the content? Okay, do we have exactly the same content? So stay tuned for the further clarification. Now if you see the next, we have this plant physiology. Now here also we have the plant physiology, but what chapters are deleted? Now here you can see the chapter 11 is photosynthesis in higher plants. Means the plant physiology is starting from this chapter. But in the old NCERT, we had a transport and plants that is deleted. Mineral nutrition is deleted. So these 2 chapters are deleted. Okay, you don't have it. You are not supposed to read that in case you are preferring the old NCERT. Right. Now talking about the next, the unit 5, the human physiology. So here we have the digestion, breathing, body fluids, excretion, locomotion, neural and chemical coordination. Now here if you can see in human physiology, we don't have the digestion. So the chapter digestion is deleted there. Apart from that, the remaining chapters are as it is. Now let us do in detail analysis of the chapters, like what topics are there and what topics have been deleted. Now let us see the first. Now here you can see the very first chapter, which is the living world. Now here you can see the 3 columns. So here we will be talking about the weightage. Now weightage, on what basis we are telling the weightage? Now over the period of 5 years, the how frequently the questions are repeating and how many questions we are expecting there each year, like every year there. Now next column we have this added topics. Are there any added topics here? And are any deleted topics here? So we have made this column, and here you can see that in detail analysis, that is chapter wise. Now let us start for the first year. Now here you can see the living world. In the living world, we have this chapter. We have it in both the old and new NCERT. But what part is deleted? Okay, so here you can see the tools for study of the taxonomy, museum, zoological park, herbaria, botanical garden. This part is deleted. Okay, so in your new NCERT, the one which you are currently using, in that this part is not there. Okay, so it's deleted. Next, talking about the next chapter, biological classification. So here there is no change. There is no deletion and addition of the topics. You have the exactly same chapter as it is. Talking about the third, you have the plant kingdom. In the plant kingdom, there is no added part, but yeah, some part is deleted. Now what exactly it is deleted? Now if you can see here, the angiosperms, the plant life cycle, the alternation of generation. Now these topics which are present in the old NCERT are deleted now. You are not supposed to read it for your preparation. Now talking about the next, we have this animal kingdom. Now in animal kingdom also we don't have any change. There is no added topics and there are no deleted topics. So you can prefer to the same thing here. Now let us go to the next. Now even here the weightage is on an average, like over a period of 5 years, what chapters, like how many questions we are expecting or they are coming from that particular chapter every year. Now next, talking about the next chapter, that is morphology. In the morphology we have some added part, even some part is deleted. Now let us first look at the deleted part. What exactly is deleted from this chapter? So here this modification of different parts of the flower, which include the root, stem, leaf and the Fabaceae and Liliaceae, these families are deleted and this topic is deleted. So you don't need to read the modification of root, stem, leaf. Okay, and what part is added? Now the new families like Malvaceae, Cruciferae, Leguminosae, okay, the Compositae, Gramiae. Now these are something which is being added. So you need to read this. Fine. Now coming to the next, we have this anatomy of flowering plant. In the anatomy of flowering plants, we have a weightage of 3 questions. Okay. Now what are added and deleted? So here nothing is added, but yeah, we have a part which is deleted. Fine. So let us see what it is. The tissues. Okay, so in the beginning, the very intro part, we have the tissue like simple tissue, complex tissue. So that part like meristematic, simple tissue, complex tissue. Okay, this part is deleted. Secondary growth, the waxillary cambium, the activity of the cambial ring. Okay, the autumn wood, the spring wood. Right. Now the secondary growth in roots, all these parts are deleted. So I think it's very happy for you to know, because this is a little part where the students often get confused and stuck. Now as this part is being deleted, so there are overall you can just concentrate more on the other topics. Fine. Now talking about the next chapter, we have the structural organization. Now in the structural organization, you have there is a 2 to 3 questions we can expect. Okay. Now here, what part is added and what part is deleted? So if you have seen the old NCERT, the tissues part is included in that. But in the recent NCERT, the latest addition, okay, the tissues part is not given. So many of you have might get a doubt, as in the NCERT the tissue part is not there. Okay, so you think we need not to read that part, but it's not like that. Okay, you have to read the tissues part for your NEET examination. So here we have the tissues part. The tissues include what? The tissues include the epithelial, connective, muscular and neural tissue. Apart from that, we also have this morphology and anatomy of the cockroach. Okay, now what we should not read? The earthworm. The earthworm is something which is deleted. Okay, you need not to prepare and read the earthworm, about the earthworm there. Fine. So these are the topics in the morphology, anatomy and structural organization. Now let us see the next chapters. Now coming to the next chapter, which is the cell. Okay, so here there is the weightage of 3 questions. So we can expect like 3 questions from this particular chapter. Now even in this chapter there is no change, there is no addition, neither the deletion of any of the topic. Now talking about the next, we have the biomolecules. Biomolecules, the weightage is like 5 questions. So here, from this chapter, diagram based questions, enzymes, okay, the tabular questions. So many of the important topics are there, from frequently the questions are being asked. Now let us see what exactly part has been deleted. Okay, now here the nature of the bond linkage, right, the dynamic state of the body, constituents, that is a concept of metabolism. Now what are the metabolic basis for the living? Now these particular topics have been deleted, and you need not to read this topic for when you are doing your NEET preparation. Okay, so this is not required. This is completely deleted part. You need not to read this. Now next we have the cell cycle and division. Now in cell cycle and cell division, okay, there is a weightage of 4 questions. Now here there is no deletion nor the addition. So no topic has been added, no topic has been deleted. So that is exactly the same. Fine. So I hope you have understood this. Let us move to the next chapters. So here the unit 4, plant physiology. Now in this we have the photosynthesis. Now as I told you earlier, we used to have 2 more chapters in the old NCERT. Okay, that is the transport and the mineral nutrition. So the 2 chapters are completely deleted. Okay, you don't have to read it. In your new NCERT textbooks, even they are not present. Got it? Now here if you can see the photosynthesis, the weightage is 2 questions, and here also there is no change. Right. Now respiration may, okay, there is a weightage of 2 questions. And here also there is no change, like there is no addition nor the deletion of any of the topic. Now talking about the next, we have the plant growth and development. You can expect 3 questions on an average, which is a weightage. Now do we have any added part here? So there is no part added here. Okay, but what part is deleted? Right. So we have this seed dormancy, okay, vernalization, photoperiodism. So these topics have deleted. In the new NCERT, you will not find this. Okay, so these topics are deleted topics. Now moving to the next, that is the 5th unit, human physiology. Fine. So here the very first chapter, breathing and exchange. Now in the old NCERT, digestion was there, which is completely deleted. Okay, as you all know. Now when we start from the breathing, okay, so in the breathing there is no change, right? Now the weightage is 2 questions. Now no addition and deletion of the topics. Next chapter, body fluids. Here also the weightage is what? The 2 questions. There is no addition nor deletion of any topic. Now next we have the excretory products and their elimination. Here also the weightage is 2 questions. There is no addition or deletion there. No change in the syllabus. Now next, locomotion. We have the 2 questions here. Neural, there is 1 question. Why? Because the part, the sense organs part, reflex action part, okay, the part that is deleted. So what part is deleted? The reflex action. Okay, sensory perception, sense organs. Okay, all this part is deleted there. That is the structure, function of eye and ear. Because earlier they were like more than 1 question was being asked, but as this been deleted, okay, so here the probability only comes to 1. Okay, so here these sense organ parts, reflex action part is deleted. So here the remaining what we have a very less concept in that particular chapter. So yeah, we can expect 1 question from there. Now moving on to the next chapter, we have the chemical coordination and integration. Now what is the probability? 2 to 3 questions, okay, on an average every year 2 to 3 questions we are expecting. Now we don't have any addition, okay, or there is no topic which is deleted from this chapter. Fine. So students, I hope you have now you have a clear idea about all the chapters in the first year, like which chapter you are supposed to, you know, you have it, and what are the topics which are exactly present, what are the topics that are deleted, right? Now with this we will just move ahead with go ahead with the second year syllabus. Now let us see the index page, the content. Now here you can see it's an old NCERT. Now for the students who have both, right, the old NCERT and you know, the new one. So if you can see the index page, right, now here you have the updated and the latest NCERT that currently you all are using. Okay, so if you can see the 6th unit, because in the first year we have 5. Now here we are starting from the 6th. Now here what is the first? The reproduction. Now what are the chapter? The first chapter, reproduction in organism. But if you can see here, okay, so the chapter is completely deleted. Okay, so this chapter is what? Completely deleted. Now talking about the next, sexual reproduction in flowering plants, and here also you have sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Okay, then human reproduction, reproductive health. So these chapters are as it is. Fine. Now talking about the next, the genetics and evolution, we have 3 chapters, that is principle of inheritance and variation, the very important chapter, molecular basis of inheritance and evolution. Fine. Now the same chapters are here, there is no change in this unit, that is genetics and evolution. Fine. Talking about the biology and human welfare, here we have the 3 chapters, here you can see only 2. Now human health is there here. Human health is also there in the updated NCERT. Okay, talking about the strategies for enhancement, this chapter is completely deleted. They have deleted this chapter. Okay, so here you don't have it. You need not to read anything from there. Now next, you have the microbes and human welfare. Here also the microbes and human welfare is there. Yeah, some part is added that we will discuss in, in the upcoming slides. Fine. Now next we have this biotechnology. Fine, the unit 9, here also biotechnology. Now here we will be like the same chapters are there, the principles and process, here also the principle and process and application. Fine, so here also 2 chapters are there and here also 2 chapters. So basically what did we just see? The 2 chapters, that is the reproduction organisms, strategies for enhancement for food production has been deleted. So you don't have this entire chapter in the updated NCERT. Now moving to the next, we have the 10th unit. Okay, so here you can see you have 4, but here you have only 3. Which chapter? The environmental issue chapter is completely deleted. Fine, so we don't have this chapter, it's completely deleted. Now we have just we just had an overlook, okay, of what exactly, how many chapters were there, now how many chapters got deleted. Now let us continue with this. We will be doing the in detail analysis of each of the chapter. Fine, starting from the very first chapter, the sexual reproduction plants, that is unit 6 of reproduction. Okay, so here the weightage is 4 questions. Now here there is no change, there is no addition and no deletion of any concept. Okay, talking about the next, the human reproduction, which is having an average of 4 questions. The weightage is 4 questions in the NEET examination. So here also there is no addition and no deletion of any topic. Now next, reproductive health, 2 questions. Here also no change, exactly the same content is there. Now moving to the next, okay, we have the unit 7, that is genetics and evolution. Now from the chapter principles of inheritance and variation, now here the weightage is 5 questions. Okay, so here there is no deletion of any topic, but there is an addition of 1 topic. Now what topic it is? It is the protein biosynthesis. Now this topic has been added. Okay, so this is a new topic that is added. So in old NCERT, no topic has been deleted. So, but 1 topic is added. What is that? The protein biosynthesis. So, all the aspirants really need to be very careful. Now, as you are preparing, you should make sure you not skip any of the topic which has been added. Okay, because what if the question comes from that particular topic? As many of you don't know, okay, you think that this topic is not there, but later on, okay, if the same question comes, that would be a negative point for you. So you should be very careful and take all the inputs and prepare accordingly, such that you cover all the topics. As we are approaching near, okay, we have a very less time for our NEET examination. Okay, now moving to the next question. Moving to the next chapter, we have this molecular base of inheritance. Now here we have the 7 questions. The weightage is 7 questions, and all the aspirants know how important is this chapter. Next we have this evolution. The weightage is 4. Now in these 2 chapters, there is no addition nor deletion of any of the concepts. Okay, now moving to the next unit. Okay, we have the unit 8, which is biology and human welfare. Okay, so here basically we have 2 chapters. So we used to have 3 early, but now it's only 2. Okay, we have the human health and disease. Now human health and disease, the weightage of the chapter is 3 questions. Now here no part is being deleted. Okay, so the content which was there in the old NCERT, the same content is there in the new NCERT. But what is the change? The change is the addition. So they have added. What exactly did they add? They add the 2 topics, that is dengue and chikungunya. Okay, so these 2 topics are also added. Fine. So prepare accordingly. Fine. So this also, all the aspirants, please go through this topic and thoroughly revise it. Okay, go through it thoroughly. Fine. This topic was not there in the previous NCERT, but yeah, now it's added. Next, the microbes in human welfare, the average is the 2 questions we can expect from this chapter. Okay, so here there is no addition nor deletion of any of the topic. It's most the same. Now talking about the next, coming to the next unit, which is biotechnology. Okay, in the biotechnology, the principle and process, the weightage is 3 questions. So it is also the same chapter. There is no addition or deletion. Next, we have the biotechnology and its application. Now in this chapter, okay, there is no deletion, but yeah, there is an addition of few topics. Now what are the topics? The plant tissue culture, we have the micropropagation, somatic hybridization and meristematic culture. So these 4 topics were included, okay, they are included now in this chapter, which was previously placed in some other chapter. Okay, so make sure that you even revise this. Don't think that it's deleted completely. It's now included here in this chapter. Fine. So moving up to the next and the last unit. Okay, so here it's the unit 10, ecology. So here we have the organism and population. The weightage from this chapter is 2. Here we don't have any added part, but yes, we have the deleted part. So what exactly is deleted? Okay, so here the major abiotic factors, which are responses to abiotic factors, adaptation summaries. Okay, this part is being deleted. So students, please don't read this topic. Fine, because no questions, we cannot expect any questions from this topic, as it's officially deleted there. Okay, talking about, coming to the next chapter, that is ecosystem, we have the weightage of 2 questions. Okay, so here no new topic is added, but yes, a few topics are deleted. Now what exactly are the topics? So the ecological succession, the succession of plants, the nutrient cycling, ecosystem carbon cycle, okay, the phosphorus cycle, the ecosystem surfaces, all these topics which were present in the old NCERT, now it's deleted. Okay, so officially it's deleted, you need not to read about all these topics there. Fine. Now coming to the last chapter, which is biodiversity and conservation. So here there is no deleted part, but yes, they have added one topic, that is sacred groves. So this topic is being added there. Okay, so this topic is being added. Fine. So the weightage here is also the 1 to 2 questions easily we can expect. So I hope you have cleared like what all topics you know you're supposed to, you have it for the upcoming examination. Okay, what are exactly deleted, okay, what is added. So this is the in-depth analysis of the overall chapters and also the in-detail analysis of each chapter. Right. Now coming to the question that which NCERT we should prefer for the NEET preparation, is it the latest NCERT or the old NCERT? Because in some chapter, if you can say the structural organization, in the old NCERT we have the tissue part which is not there in the new NCERT. Okay, so but what I can suggest you, to all the NEET aspirants, please stick to the new NCERT part, because you have the diagrams. Okay, the diagrams are also changed, right? And that will be more easy because you are now dealing with the updated version, the latest version. Yeah, and obviously wherever I told you that there is an addition part, okay, some part is also there in the old NCERT. For example, first point, all the aspirants, please take a reference of the new NCERT only. Please stick to the new NCERT. Don't stick to the old NCERT. Okay, so whatever is there in the new NCERT, please thoroughly prepare all the concepts. Okay, so for few concepts like the tissues, which you don't have in the new NCERT, but you have in the old NCERT, you can take a reference from there. Okay, but my suggestion to you all would be stick on to the latest version of the latest NCERT textbook, okay, for your preparation. And for the topics which are required, you are supposed to read and take a reference for the old NCERT. Fine. So the latest NCERT is included what? Updated information, diagrams, illustration, making them more engaging and easier to understand. So for NEET 2025, it is recommended to use a combination. You can use both, and even I told you how a combination of both old and new NCERT, as this will provide you a comprehensive understanding for the concepts, and they help you to stay updated, because whatever questions we can expect from the latest syllabus only, latest textbook only. We will not be preferring for the old one. Fine. So I hope you found this video useful. Okay. Thank you so much, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and for more such videos, if you want a video in any other topics, please let us know in the comment section. Thank you.